Good morning, everyone. Today, we are not just marking a day, we are celebrating the people who light up our whole world. Yes, our teachers. Think back for a moment to a time when you were struggling, unsure, or facing a challenge. It's likely a teacher was there to guide you. They are the silent heroes in our stories, the ones who see our potential even when we can't see it ourselves. They believe in our dreams and empower us to pursue them with whole courage. Teachers are so much more than people who stand at the front of a room. They are the architects of our future, shaping minds and molding character with every lesson. They are the patient listeners, the kind mentors, and the dedicated guides who help us find our way. They invest their time, energy, and hearts into making sure we not only learn but also grow into the best version of ourselves. They are the quiet architects of our dreams, the patient gardeners who tend to the tender saplings of our minds. They see not just who we are, but who we can become in the coming future. In their classrooms, the air is thick with more than just dust and chalk. It's filled with the possibility, with the echoes of a million ideas taking flight. A teacher's touch is a brushstroke on the canvas of our lives, painting the shades of curiosity, compassion, and courage. They are the lighthouse in the storm of our doubts, guiding us to safe harbors of knowledge. With every lesson, they don't just share information, they ignite a fire, a lifelong hunger for understanding the concepts. To all the teachers, thank you. Thank you for your endless patience, your unwavering belief in us, and for the countless sacrifices you make every day. You have taught us not just to read and write, but to think critically, to question the world, and to never stop learning. You have left an indelible mark on our hearts and in our lives. I would like to end my speech by my favorite quote. A teacher's purpose is not to create students his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. Wishing a very happy Teacher's Day to every teacher across the world and to those teachers who have made me today what I am. Thank you for being connected.